Hello friends, welcome again. Previous video we learned compound statement and their truth values, and as I told you they are very important to solve the problems. We also learned converse, inverse and contrapositive of conditional statement. Okay, it is also important because every exam one question asked in converse, inverse and contrapositive for 3 marks. Today we are going to learn our first exercise or solve our first exercise 1.1. Okay, first question, state which of the following are statements justify in case of statement state its truth value. First one is 5 plus 4 equal to 13. Yes, it is a statement, but its truth value is false because 5 plus 4 is not equal to 13. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, it is a statement but its truth value is false. Second one, see, x minus 3 equal to 14. It is a statement? No. Why? Because it is an open sentence. Its value depends on x. Okay. Therefore, it is a not statement. Hence, we cannot say its truth value. Third one is close the door. It is a command. Therefore, it is an imperative sentence, not a statement. We cannot say its truth value. So, therefore, it is an imperative sentence. Fourth one is 0 is complex number. Yes, it is, because 0 can be written as 0 plus 0i. Therefore, it is form of complex number. Therefore, fourth one is statement and its truth value is true. Okay. Fifth one is please get me a breakfast. It is also request. Therefore, it is an imperative sentence, not a statement, because we cannot state its truth value. It is a true or false. We cannot say. Okay. Therefore, it is an imperative sentence, not a statement. Got it? Sixth one, congruent triangles are similar. As we know, I think in 7th class congruent triangles are similar. Every congruent triangles are similar, but similar triangles are not congruent. Therefore, it is a statement and its truth value is true. Seventh one, x square equal to x. It is a statement? No, because its value depends on x. Okay, therefore it is a open sentence, not a statement. Next one, quadratic equation cannot have more than 2 roots. Yes, it is a statement, because we know that every quadratic equation has exactly 2 roots. Therefore, it is a statement and its root value is true. Okay. Next one, do you like mathematics? Do you like mathematics? Asking a question. Therefore, it is a not statement. It is a interrogative sentence. Okay. 10th one, the sun set in the west. Surya पश्चिमेला मावळतो का? Yes, it is a true. Okay, it is a statement and its root value is true. 11. All real numbers are whole numbers. All real numbers are whole numbers. We know that every whole number is real number, but every real number is not whole number. Therefore, it is statement, but its root value is false. 12th, can you speak in Marathi? Asking a question. Therefore, it is an interrogative sentence, not a statement. Okay. Next, x square minus 6x minus 7 equal to 0 when x equal to 7. If you put x equal to 7 in this equation will be satisfied. Therefore, it is a statement and its truth value is true. Okay. Next one, the sum of cube roots of unity is 0. In previous year we learned complex number, and in this chapter we know that sum of cube roots of unity is also 0. Therefore, it is a statement and its truth value is true. Okay. 15th, it rains heavily. It is an open sentence, so therefore it is not a statement. Got it? Next, question number 2, write the following compound statement symbolically. Write the following compound statement symbolically. First one is Nagpur is in Maharashtra and Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. It is a compound statement joining by connective and. Therefore, symbolic form is P and Q. Okay. See the answer. Let P is Nagpur is in Maharashtra, Q Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Therefore, symbolic form is P and Q. P and Q. Okay. Next one, triangle is equilateral or isosceles. It is also compound statement joining logical connective or. See the answer. Triangle is equilateral, Q statement, triangle is isosceles, symbolic form is P or Q. Similarly, we can write all the symbolic form of compound statement. Third one is the angle is right angle if and only if it is of measure 90 degree. Two simple statements are joining by connectives if and only if. That means it is biconditional statement and its symbolic form is P or Q. P or Q. Okay. Next one. Angle is neither acute nor obtuse. Angle is neither acute nor obtuse. This is a compound statement connected with logical connectives nor and. Therefore, its symbolic form is negation P and negation Q, because original statement is angle is acute and obtuse. Okay, and its converse is, its negation is angle is neither acute nor obtuse. Fifth one, if triangle ABC is right angle at B, then measure of angle plus measure of angle C equal to 90 degree. It is a statement, it is a conditional statement joining with if and then. Therefore, symbolical form is P implies Q. P implies Q. Got it? Next one. Hima Das win gold medal if and only if she run fast. If and only if statement. Therefore, it is a biconditional. Symbolical form is P if and only if Q. See the answer 6. P if and only if Q. And last one is X is not irrational number but is a square of integer. Square of an integer. Its symbolical form is negation P and Q. Okay. Third question. Write the truth values of following. First one is 4 is odd or 1 is prime. See the answer. Let P equal to 4 is odd, Q 1 is prime. We know 4 is not odd, therefore P is false. That means truth value of P is false. Truth value of Q is also false because 1 is not prime. Okay. Symbolic form of given statement 4 is odd or 1 is prime is P or Q. See, P or Q. Therefore, truth value of compound statement P or Q is P or Q equal to F or F, because both statements are false. Therefore, F or F equal to F. We know that in disjunction both statements are false, then its truth value will be false, otherwise true. Hence, the truth value of given statement is false. That means 4 is odd or 1 is prime is false statement. Okay, got it? Next one. 64 is a perfect square and 46 is a prime number. It is a compound statement connected with and. Therefore, P is 64 is perfect square and Q is 64 is prime number. P is true because 64 is perfect square, 8 square is 64. Q is false. Why? Because 46 is not a prime number. Given statement in symbolic form is P and Q. It is a conjunction statement. Therefore, its truth value is P and Q equal to T and F, because P is true and Q is false. Therefore, T and F equal to its value is F, because in conjunction only both statements are true, then its value is true, otherwise will be false. Hence, the truth value of given statement is false. Okay. Next one. 5 is prime number and 7 divides 94. It is also conjunction statement P and Q. P is 5 is prime number and Q is 7 divides 94. P is true, Q is false because 7 does not divide 94. Therefore, P and Q is equal to T and F, and T and F is F. Therefore, it is a false statement. Fourth one is, it is not true that 5 minus 3i is a real number. It is not true that 5 minus 3i is a real number. It is a negation statement. Okay. Simple statement P, Kyle, 5 minus 3i is real number. Okay. But it is a negation. Okay. Therefore, negation P is what? Can you guess? 5 minus 3i is real number? No, it is not real number. It is a complex number. Therefore, its truth value is false. But given statement is negation statement. That means it is not true that 5 minus 3i is real number. therefore its P is false, then negation P is true. Okay, therefore it is not true that 5 minus 3i is a real number. This compound statement is true. Okay, fifth one, if 3 into 5 equal to 8, then 3 plus 5 equal to 15. It is a conditional statement joining with if then. Okay, P statement 3 into 5 equal to 8. It is a false because 3 into 5 equal to 8, 15. Q statement 3 plus 5 equal to 15. Okay, it is also false because 3 plus 5 not equal to 15. Both statements are false. P is also false, Q is also false. And joining with then. Okay, conditional statement P then Q, F then F. And we know that in conditional statement only T F false, otherwise true. That means this statement is true. Okay, sixth one, milk is white if and only if sky is blue. Joining with double implication, if and only if. Okay, therefore this statement is conditional, by conditional statement. First P statement is milk is white, it is a true statement. Q statement sky is blue, also we know that it is a true statement. Okay, therefore P if and only if Q, that means T if and only if T, both statements are true, therefore its truth value is true. That means this compound statement will be true. And last, 24 is a composite number or 17 is a prime number. Both simple statement joining with or. P statement 24 is composite number, Q statement 17 is prime number. Both statements are true, therefore T or T is true. Got it? Therefore this compound statement is true. Remaining exercise we will learn in next lecture. Okay.